Welcome to our farming documentary channel, where we journey into the amazing world of agriculture, uncovering how it shapes and impacts our everyday lives in profound ways. In today's episode, we are thrilled to take you along on an incredible adventure: the astonishing transformation of sugarcane, from the moment it is nurtured in the fields to becoming the sweet sugar that enhances our lives. Prepare to be amazed as we reveal the secrets of growing and harvesting billions of tons of sugarcane, and follow the mesmerizing process that turns these towering plants into the sugar we enjoy worldwide. The story of sugarcane. Sugarcane, or sugar cane, as it's sometimes called, is much more than just a plant. It's an agricultural marvel, a towering species of perennial grass that stands anywhere between 2 to 6 meters tall. What's even more impressive is that its thick, fibrous stalks are rich in sucrose, a key ingredient that accumulates between the plant's internodes. This fascinating plant is cultivated for one extraordinary purpose: sugar production. The journey of sucrose extraction takes place in specially designed mills, where sugarcane is transformed from a raw agricultural product into a sweet delicacy. But its impact is far-reaching. The sugar extracted from sugarcane is used in confectionaries, sweetening beverages, preserving jams and jellies, and even as a decorative finish for baked goods. It's not just for our taste buds. Sugarcane is an essential raw material for the food industry at large. Mind-boggling global production. In 2023 alone, the world produced an astounding 1.94 billion tons of sugarcane. That's enough to fill countless fields, all brimming with the potential to produce the sugar that sweetens our lives. Leading the charge is Brazil, which accounts for a whopping 39% of global sugarcane production. Hot on its heels is India, producing 19%, followed by China with 7%. These staggering numbers highlight how central sugarcane is to global agriculture. But its story begins in the soil, where its seeds are planted with meticulous care. The intricate planting process. The life cycle of sugarcane begins with a highly thoughtful planting process. Unlike other crops, sugarcane is propagated by planting sections of stalks known as sets, each containing at least one bud. These sets are carefully planted in fields where the soil is rich in nutrients and well drained to support robust root development. The choice of soil is critical. Sugarcane thrives best in well-drained, loamy soils that allow roots to grow deep and strong. Farmers also make sure to space the rows just right to give the plants maximum access to sunlight, which fuels their growth. Watching the transformation from set to towering stalk is truly something to behold. Modern care techniques for maximum growth. To ensure these majestic plants reach their full potential, farmers use advanced irrigation techniques like drip and sprinkler systems, especially in regions where rainfall is scarce. These modern systems ensure that the soil maintains the perfect moisture levels for optimal growth. And it doesn't stop there. Farmers apply fertilizers rich in nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, all critical for enhancing soil fertility and boosting plant development. Over the course of 12 to 18 months, depending on the variety and environmental conditions, sugarcane goes through a series of developmental stages. From germination to tillering, elongation to maturation, it's a mesmerizing process of growth that culminates in sugarcane reaching its peak sucrose levels. Farmers keep a close watch, knowing that the timing of the harvest is critical. They wait for just the right moment, when the sucrose content is at its highest, to ensure a bountiful yield of sugar. The marvel of sugarcane, harvesting. Harvesting sugarcane used to be a grueling task, requiring immense labor and precision. In traditional practices, skilled workers used machetes to hand harvest the crop, a method still in use today in some regions. However, technology has revolutionized this process, and modern mechanized harvesters now dominate sugarcane farming. These incredible machines slice the cane at its base, strip away the leaves, and chop the stalks into neat, manageable pieces, all in one swift operation. This marvel of engineering not only speeds up the harvest, but also reduces labor costs and increases efficiency, allowing farmers to harvest vast areas in record time. Watching these machines at work is nothing short of awe-inspiring. They've transformed the landscape of sugarcane farming, making it possible to gather massive amounts of crop quickly, reducing the risk of weather-related damage. The sugarcane's next stop, the processing factory. Once harvested, the sugarcane's journey is far from over. It's transported to processing factories where the real magic happens. The first step? A thorough washing and shredding process to prepare the cane for juice extraction. The shredded cane is then passed through a series of powerful mills, which crush the stalks to extract every drop of juice. This juice, a mix of water, sucrose, and various impurities, is the key to sugar production. The efficiency of these mills plays a crucial role in determining how much sugar can be harvested from the crop. It's a delicate balance between technique and technology. From juice to crystal, the sweet transformation. The next step is purifying the juice. Lime is added and the mixture is heated, which helps to precipitate and remove impurities. What's left is a clarified juice, which undergoes evaporation to concentrate it into syrup. The syrup is then transferred to vacuum pans, where it crystallizes into sugar. The sight of this syrup thickening and transforming is nothing short of spectacular. The final step involves centrifuges that separate the sugar crystals from the molasses. The raw sugar is then dried and packaged, ready to be distributed across the globe. Each step is meticulously controlled to ensure the highest quality product. It's a process that demands precision, expertise, and patience. Bagasse, the sugarcane's remarkable byproduct. But the sugarcane story doesn't end there. The dry, fibrous residue left after juice extraction, known as bagasse, has multiple valuable uses. In sugar mills, bagasse powers boilers and kilns, driving energy efficiency to new heights. Beyond that, it's used in the production of paper, paperboard, and even panel boards. It's also employed as agricultural mulch and serves as a raw material for chemical production. Bagasse plays a critical role as a renewable energy source, helping to reduce the environmental impact of sugar production. And as we explore the innovative uses of sugarcane byproducts, we encounter some truly inspiring stories. The future of sugarcane, a path toward sustainability. In India, one of the world's largest producers of sugarcane, millions of tons of bagasse are produced each year. Instead of letting this byproduct go to waste, Indian innovators are turning it into something extraordinary. Yash Paka, a leading sustainability brand, has found an ingenious way to repurpose bagasse. They've launched a product line called Chuck, which produces eco-friendly tableware from the sugarcane waste that would otherwise be burned for fuel. This initiative not only provides a valuable use for the byproduct, but also helps address India's growing plastic waste problem. By offering biodegradable alternatives to plastic plates and cutlery, they're making strides toward a greener, more sustainable future. As we conclude this episode, we hope you're as amazed as we are by the incredible journey of sugarcane. From its humble beginnings in the fields to the highly sophisticated process that turns it into sugar, it's a story of agricultural innovation, resilience, and sustainability. Thank you for joining us in this fascinating exploration. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts and answer any questions you may have. Stay tuned for more awe-inspiring documentaries on the world of agriculture. Until next time, happy farming